Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, we're going to do some eye makeup using just our fingers. Da, da, da. Dramatic zoom. Yes, we're not going to use any makeup brushes to create this makeup look. Can you believe it? I hope you do believe me. Don't tell lies. Anyway, yes, so that is that. It's gorgeous. This makeup is like my total jam. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that button now. So I'm a makeup artist of 15 years and I share all of my expertise with you here. I'm obsessed with all things beauty and I say it in a cool, feminine, chic, fun, modern way. So I appreciate it if you would. Anyway, enough about me rambling. Let's get to it. The first product I'm going to start off with is this amazing Laura Mercier Caviar sticks. I absolutely blinking love these. They've got such a long wear to them and they're easy to use. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to pull my eye, rather than like from here, pull my eye from like the outer corner just to give it a little bit of tension. Then I'm going to trace the lash line in a non-perfect line, taking it underneath as well. And with this, I'm going to work on one eye at a time because it sets. I'm going to take my ring finger and just smudge. So I'm smudging in a back and forth motion. And I'm taking that up to the crease and see now how I'm blending that out. So I'm almost wanting to erase this, well, not erase this line, but trick the eye into thinking that the eye is bigger by pulling that out. And giving everything a diffused soft edge does that. Look at that. You could just put your mascara on and be out for your picante. I don't know if I should. I don't know. I'm going to Sean Connery. Cacao is the shade. Cocoa? C-O-C-O-A. Coca. Coca. Welcome to How You Pronounce Things with a dyslexic. Right. She's locked and loaded, my friends. And these stay on really well. If you've got oily eyelids, these stay on really well. So again, blending. And obviously you could be doing both eyes at the same time. Have you ever done your makeup with just your fingers? Let me know below. Because I love using my fingers, especially on myself to be really quick. Look at that. It's just beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh. This next product you would have seen on my stories on Instagram. You ready? It's a piece of art. This is a BYREDO palette, collaboration with Ben and the founder of BYREDO and Isamaya French. Wooga is all I can say about that. This is like the most gorgeous palette. These are like my favourite kind of tones to use and it's like a piece of art. This palette is called Dysco, spelled with a Y, and it's gorgeous. So I'm going to use all of these because these are like an emollient, creamy formula. They work really well with fingers. Using a brush will just give you a much softer result. So I'm just going to go straight in with the fingers. Sometimes you don't need those brushes, boo. So let's start with this eye. I'll change it up. So I'm taking this shade here, which is called Haze. I'm popping that on the lid. And this is this gorgeous, what colour is it? It's not, it's like an amber gold. It's not pure amber, but it's got a bit of orange in it and it is dreamy. This work on all skin tones as well. Obsessed. Really diverse. So all I'm doing is popping it mainly on the lid, taking it up to the crease line, and then again, feathering it out. I'm not putting too much in the outer corner because I'm going to use the deeper colours with it. So now I'm going to go for this shade here, Velvet. I'm going to pop that on the outer corner. So this is going to be my kind of mid-tone, so I'm taking this up a little bit higher and I'm smooshing everything out. Look at that. Oh, I should have clipped my hair back. I clip my hair back and forth, I clip my hair back and forth. Just a bit more of that pigment there. There we go, that's a bit better. Taking that. And then you can use a clean finger and smudge the rest out. I'm going to take a tiny bit of that same colour, look up, outer corner, link it all up. Those little details basically shape the eye. So when you're using something deeper than your skin, it's going to give you a bit of depth, right? Now we're gonna go for the big guns, faux fur. And I'm gonna keep this closer to the lash line and like tighter to everything. But I just can't tell you how easy these colours blend. I'm just literally obsessed with this palette. It's the third time I've used it this week. Makeup just brings me so much joy. Right, then I'm gonna use a bit of this colour as well. So this is a bit more, this is called Flare. This is a bit of a brighter, more amber sort of tone. I'm gonna just use that here. Just to really open up the eye. Oh yeah, oh yeah. A bit more. And then here, oh, I'm getting it everywhere now. So keeping that towards the inner and then sort of taking it like here and here. So it's like a curving around. And I'm gonna take that lighter colour, put that on the brow bone, put that on the inner corner. So this is act like a highlight. Make everything really pop. I'm just gonna use that one finger before I blend it out. And then using another clean finger just to smooth it all up, smooth it on up. Nothing can stop me. Oh, hello. You called? Because we got a date. We got a date, honey. Can you believe that? No brushes. I'm dead impressed. I think the last thing I want to do, just to jazz this up a little bit, is take that pencil. I should have done this at the beginning. Pop it in the waterline. I'm hitting the top waterline as well. Can you see how that little detail of putting it in the waterline has made my eyes kind of elongate them because it's changed the shape? Versus this opens it up a bit more kind of that way, but I want it more this way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love it. I don't care. I love it. Right. Finishing touches, Sweed Pro Lash Lift Mascara. I love it. The wand on this is genius. I'm gonna put it in front of there so you can see it a bit more. So the wand is on one side. It's like a little comb. A lot of product sits in there. On the other side, it's got nothing. So what this does is, I'm gonna take all the bottom lashes first. What it does is it allows you to get really close to the root of the lash, but it really pulls and fans out every single lash. This is great because it doesn't smudge as well. Once it's on, it really stays on for a long time. And it just makes the most of every single lash. It provides thickness and length, but without being claggy. Ha! It's good, I told you. I told you. So to really tie this makeup together, I'm just gonna put a bit more lipstick on. This is the Laura Mercier new Delicat lipstick. It's lovely. Gorgeous kind of pinky nudie. It would work on so many skin tones. And I'm gonna finish it off with the Desert Rose Gloss. Again, this kind of neutral pink. It smells amazing. It's quite a sweet vanilla, but it's not sticky. Just give that lip that extra plump on that juice. I think we're done. Let's take these clips out. Oh yeah, hello. Hello. Let's go for dinner or something. Go for a drink. Yeah, that is today's look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you did. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much if you've made it this far. I upload every Sunday, so see you next week. And oh yeah, don't forget to follow my Instagram as well. I've got a lot more daily content on there. See my cats, see the house, see a bit more me. Random thoughts, all sorts. Yeah, so check it out. Anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate you and have a lovely day.